Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have a couple of humble bundles of interest to game developers, specifically Godot developers on this first one, and then I got some catch-up to do because I just got back from vacation. So we got a couple of other bundles to go over as well, all of interest to game developers. The first one here is Learn to Make Games in Godot. This is from Game Dev TV. I am always a fan of their works, although I do have to warn you, this is a straight-up repeat. I don't know what's going on there. I think it's part of Humble's 15-year anniversary. A lot of repetition going on with their particular bundles, but in this particular case, if you missed it the first time, this is a great one to pick up. If you are looking to learn Godot, this bundle, I love Game Dev TV stuff. I highly recommend it from what I have experienced. This one, you have 3 tiers. By the way, if you buy any of these using my link, it does support the channel, and thank you very much if you do. At the first tier, you're getting a $5 Godot character controller with a course showing you how to use it. The second tier, you're looking like 12, 13 bucks US. You are getting Create and Master Custom Plugins course, Blender to Godot course, and then the Shaders course. All very useful things. And then finally, at the top tier, which looks like probably 25 bucks USD, you are getting the full 3D course, the full 2D course, the 2D action adventure game course, and the action combat RPG course, as well as a C# course there, in addition to everything else. Game Dev TV stuff is redeemed on GameDev.tv. You can see an example here. So here, for example, is the 2D action adventure course. Here is how their site looks. I think it's quite nice. It's straightforward. The video here, resources or documentation are available down below. Questions side available there. You can see all the various different sections of this are available as you go. You switch between them. It tracks your progress. Again, questions are available for each area that you're going through, so you can learn from the mistakes or questions of others that are doing the courses. It does track where you are at. The quality of the courses, I tend to find them quite nice. Then again, I am not a beginner, so I'm not really the target for a lot of these courses, but I do ask every time there's one of these bundles, and Game Dev TV stuff is always pretty highly regarded. So if you're looking at a way to learn Godot, and you don't want to just do it piecemeal using courses on YouTube or whatever, Game Dev TV courses are a good choice to go with. Now, another one we've got, this one launched a couple of days ago while I was still on vacation, and I am a fan of these guys as well. This is Ovani Sounds. Now, the Ovani bundle here, normally Ovani bundles have no repetition at all. That's one of the coolest things about these bundles. In this particular case, there were a couple of repeats. I'm using the power of Reddit to show you what is new in this bundle in just a second, but as you can see, organized into tiers. Once again, they seem to be moving away from the $1 tier and moving towards a more useful $5 tier, which honestly, the $1 tier is normally completely crap, so I do like this approach. What you're going to find with Ovani stuff is they're a sound effects and music track company, but you'll notice if we go here to the median tier, nope, might be the full tier. There are also a set of music plugins for various different game engines, like you see Godot, Unreal, and Unity. That is because they're music packs here. So any of these music packs like this, they will come with multiple different frequencies or intensities there. So say you're doing a horror movie, and as you're getting closer and closer to the villain or the bad guy or the monster or whatever, you can ramp up the intensity, and that's exactly what these plugins do. So every one of these, each track for a music pack comes with a number. So again, horror, perfect example. Each one here comes with a number of different intensities for the music. By the way, you can click in and see a preview of these as well. You also have a number of sound effect packs in here, such as, you know, if you needed guns. High quality stuff. I always have loved Ovani stuff. These bundles, for me, are a no-brainer for growing your sound effects and music libraries. And again, that dynamic soundtrack aspect of it is very cool. But again, there tends not to be repeats for these, other than the plugins. The plugins are often repeated, but everything else tends to be completely new to each one of these packs. But you'll find this one, there's repeats here. So voiceovers, 2 of them were repeated from previous bundles. Sound effects, 7 out of 12, and music, 2 out of 14. So these are the ones that are all listed as completely new. Other ones have been in a previous bundle. So one of the things you got to notice here, just make sure you don't already own the tracks that you are interested in. They don't tend to do dupes, so that is a bit new here. But just be aware, these are the things that have literally never been in any other pack before. Otherwise, they may have been featured in a previous bundle. It's something you're going to want to be aware of. And then Also, we head on over to Humble. You're going to find there's a bunch of bundles going on. I'm not actually sure if I covered this one, the Supreme bundle. This may have happened while I was away. This is a collection of Unity and Unreal Engine assets, and it is a big collection. So if you're looking to pick stuff up there, you also got a variety of tools for like controlling the modularity of a lot of these assets, that kind of stuff. So you're seeing here a number of different things, Unity and Unreal Engine. Again, I haven't covered this one, so just be aware this is available as well. By the way, there are guides out there. I've got a number of different guides for it, showing you how you can get from Unreal or Unity to Godot, or to Unity, Unreal, Blender, whatever. So you can get these out of one engine and into the other. So don't let that part scare you off, although you are going to have to do a little bit of extra work. But as you can see here, a ton of stuff here, a lot of Unreal Engine in here as well. So huge pickup there. Again, Unreal predominant, but Unity in here as well. So that is called the Supreme 3 Best of Unity and Unreal Engine Assets bundle. It is a huge one there. But that is not it by any means. We also have a Cinti bundle all going for a couple more days. I will have that linked down below. We have the Extreme Game Dev. This is, again, a number of Unreal and Unity environments. I did cover this one in the past, so it is known to us. Got a couple of other music ones here as well. There is just an absolute ton of game dev bundles going on lately. We also got the Survival Kit. And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. So we got brand new bundles. The biggest one here, of course, being the Learn to Make Games in Godot bundle there. A selection of Godot 4.x, by the way. So it's all current courses available up on Game Dev TV. Again, I am generally a fan of their content, so I would recommend it if you're looking for something to get you started. And then the other one we have here is the Ovani Decibel Domination bundle. Ovani, great stuff. Game engine ready. Drop in. Again, the multiple different intensities with the music stuff, and then of course sound effects pack, super straightforward in how those work. All right, and once again, use any of my links down below. It does help support me. Let me know what you think of these bundles. If you've got any questions specifically about any one of them, I'll do my best to answer them in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.